Hete Poo, peace and blessings to all. It's your sis, Mama Imani, out here on a girl trek, taking it easy, man, on the ERT, made it as far as the web. Let me turn y'all around to the beauty of the rest break. I have only been here about a minute and a half. Not trying to rest too long. Want to get back home. I have some chill time before I have to log in about an hour and 15. Make your Mindful Monday safe, healthy, and content. Get out there. Hashtag do something nice. Hashtag be a good neighbor. Hashtag Hetep Yoga Tribe. Hashtag Family Treks. Hashtag Girl Trek. The beauty of the rest break. Here behind the web with the benches and whatnot. Benches and tables. Thank you for watching this video to its end. I got to finish my trek back home. Please give this a like. Please share. Get out there on this Mindful Monday and get your steps in. Blessed be.